Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so nothing interrupts the process. Sign in to your ESPN Plus account on the device you use. Make sure the app and device firmware are current, since outdated builds hide controls. Once done, open the video and focus on the player area. You need the playback bar visible. Pause if needed, and locate the CC or Subtitles icon. That small label toggles caption settings. Now you're ready to change subtitle behavior directly from the player. Now you'll remove the subtitles step by step and understand why each choice matters. While the stream plays or is paused, tap the CC/subtitles icon to open the menu. This menu controls only the player's captions. Choose off or switch the language to none to stop captions immediately. If the player lacks a CC option, make sure device-level captions aren't forcing them. Check accessibility settings and turn off closed captions globally. Because the app defers to system caption policies on many smart TVs and consoles. Finish by confirming the change and handling issues if captions persist. Resume playback and sample different points or episodes to ensure subtitles stay off. Some streams remember per asset settings. If captions reappear, close and reopen the app. Next, reboot the device. Should that fail, clear the app cache or reinstall the ESPN Plus app. This resets corrupt player states while keeping your account. One troubleshooting tip: check third-party HDMI devices or upstream caption injectors. They can reintroduce subtitles despite app settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.